Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start making passive income just by sending emails. Alright, now I'm going to be sharing one of the methods of the 4 methods I and my students are using to make passive income online just by sending emails, and there are some requirements you need to have before you start sending these emails. Now the first thing first is you need to have email box sending software, and this email box sending software is different. This has multiple rotations. As you can see, this SMTP servers. So if you see this SMTP server, all right, you can see this SMTP server. You have different, you can use your Gmail account, you can use different SMTP here, which I'm going to be teaching you how to create several SMTPs. Now you can see that I can send 22,500 emails in a day using all these SMTPs I've listed here. So you can add multiple SMTP, and the beauty of it is that it will rotate the SMTPs. It will rotate them. Then also in this software, you have the ability to also rotate your bodies. So it can rotate the message bodies. So as you can see here now, you can see this is body 1, body 2. I can write another messages here, body 3, body 4. You can up to body 11, so you can set it. So you can see that this is what we want to promote. I want to promote for my business, so I want to promote a CBT software to schools. All right, so and I'm going to be sending emails. And how do I get these emails? So let me just tell you now, how do I get these emails? Now the first thing first is I extract emails of clients. So you can see this, I extract emails of clients. So once I extract emails of clients, let's say I want to extract secondary school in Nigeria, primary secondary school in Lagos, I'll just click on advanced search, and I'm going to include Gmail, Yahoo, I'm going to click on search. So once I'm searching, this email extractor is going to do its work, and it's going to be giving me you can see the list of schools here. You can see their emails. All right, so I can extract, you can see this Queen's College, so I can extract up to thousands and thousands of emails. Then once I extract, I'm going to verify the emails. So you can just go to the email software, the verifier software, then just click on import emails. So you can see that I've generated so many emails, so I can just say okay, schools in Lagos or schools in Nigeria. So I'll click on open, and we start verifying the email list for me. You can see that, you can see here, you can see that it has started the work, verified, valid, invalid. All right, so once I clean the list, then I'm going to come back to my software. Then I can start sending emails. Now before I start sending emails, I'm going to load the contacts inside this software. So I'm going to these are the contacts that I've loaded inside the software. So let me just let me close this. So you can see that it has finished verifying this. So I'm going to minimize this, and these are the contacts. So you can see that I have the contact groups here. So you can see the school owners. You can see I have the contacts here. When you go to contacts, you can see all of them here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this for now. I'm going to click on messages. So once I click on messages, I'm going to read the message I want to send, make sure it's correct, and you can see that I've structured my message. So I'm going to close this software. I'm going to go to easy send. So once I go to easy send, so I'm going to you can see these are the emails that I want to send to you. All right, so let me remove all these emails, remove all. So remove all. Okay, just remove all these emails. Okay, because these is schools, okay, these are the schools that I want to send to. So I'm going to add all the emails here. You can see everything will be here. So everything will be added here. You can see. Then I'm going to click on personalized mail. Then I'm going to set the delay emails to like 2 seconds. So once I do that, I'm going to click on you can see CPT software. I'm going to click on send, and it will start sending to them one by one. So you can see it has started sending those emails. So I'm just going to cancel it. So I don't want to send this for now, so I've cancelled it. So now I've cancelled it. So this is how they're going to get it. and they are going to reply you. Now let me show you one of the proofs of the reply. I have sent this over time, and let me show you one of the proofs that this method is really working. You can see this one of the schools. So this we can see that this person says, I received your email regarding the CBT exam, find out the course details. You can see Pineapple School. So you can see how I structured mine. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can start sending these emails for profit. And you can see this another school that we have sent to. You can see we send our budget. What's your financial call? It's called How You Intend Working. You can see this. See another school here. So you can see you can see greetings, got your email concerning the school software. You can see that this is working. You can see I scraped those emails and I validated them, and I start sending. This is how you can make profit sending emails. Tell me more about your product, please, about the email you sent to Ocean Springs College. You can see this underscore, this underscore, this underscore. You can see. So, and they have closed like 2 or 3 deals from these schools, and you know what that means. So I'll send them our cost, and you can see the cost of per system. You can see this how we sell. Alright, this is how we sell. These are one of the methods I and my students are using to make profits sending emails online. If this interests you, click on the link below to get this method, to get this software, and start sending emails and start making passive income online. Okay, alright guys, so if this interests you, click on the link below, and I will see you in the inside.